Have you ever wondered how other coaches online are able to sell digital products and programs that generate them income while they sleep? Imagine creating a product that could free you up from only doing one-on-one sessions and having other streams of revenue that could generate you more income. Or maybe you would just like to figure out ways to optimize your time and to create offers that will allow you to serve more of your clients at once. Hi, I'm Jay, and I'm on a mission to help coaches who are curious about transforming their expertise into offers that attract their dream clients. On this channel, I talk about ways coaches can crack the code on clarifying their offers and designing their marketing funnel. So if that sounds like you, be sure to subscribe. Today, I'm walking you through the 5 simple steps that you could use to go from idea to income, possibly creating your first digital product to attract your dream client. I'm also going to provide you with some questions that you can use to develop ideas, gather intel, and make a plan that you feel comfortable taking action on. So grab a pen and paper and don't put off on tomorrow what you can do today. It's never really going to be the right time. So let's begin on what you already know and who you can serve today. And we're going to start things off with step 1, which is define the transformation. First, get clear on the transformation you offer. Ask yourself, what is the biggest problem I solve for my clients? Here you can think about what the before and after of working with you is like for your clients. So for example, if you're a mindset coach, you might help clients overcome procrastination and become more productive. So the next question to ask yourself is, what is the transformation they experience? Write it down and remember this. People don't buy products, they buy results. So once again, the questions for step 1 are, what is the biggest problem I solve for my client? And what transformation do they experience? For step 2, we're going to choose the format. So next, choose the format that delivers this transformation to your audience. Here you want to ask yourself, what format best delivers the transformation to my audience? Is it a course? Is it a virtual workshop? Could be a membership site or maybe even a downloadable guide, which leads me into the next question. You want to ask yourself, do I want to start small, like a checklist, or go big with something like a course or a membership? If you're new to digital products, I recommend starting small, like a virtual workshop or a guide, and scaling that up later. This keeps your process simple and manageable while still providing value. So write down a few formats that's doable for you right now. And remember, the questions here are, what format delivers this transformation to my audience? And what do I want to start with? Something small like a checklist or something bigger like a course or membership? Step number 3, identifying your framework. So let's talk about your framework. This is the structured way you take someone from point A to point B. This includes your processes, your roadmap, and the mechanisms that get your clients the results that they're after. For clarity, your processes are the step-by-step task you repeat with each client, whereas your frameworks are the overall model or structure that organizes those steps into something understandable and repeatable. And your roadmap is the big picture that shows the journey from start to finish, whereas your mechanisms are the methods and tools inside of your framework that actually drive this transformation. So you want to ask yourself, what 3 to 5 steps guide my clients from problem to transformation? You want to keep it simple and aim for only 3 to 5 key steps. So for example, if you're a fitness coach focused on strength building, your steps could look something like step 1, assess current fitness level. Step 2, create a customized workout plan. Step 3, implement nutrition strategies. And step 4, track progress. As a disclaimer, I am not a fitness coach, so forgive me if I am off on that. But these steps can become modules, lessons, and phases in your products. And what's even more cooler if you create a memorable acronym or turn it into a cool visual illustration. That makes it unique to your brand and possibly IP. So for me, I developed something that I call the Bridge Builder Framework. I use the bridge as a visual metaphor for getting your customers from where they are now to where they want to be. The pillars of this bridge are your company, your customer, your category, your core offer, and your campaign. I use this framework to help coaches clarify their offers, design funnels, and create their campaigns. So for you, the big question is, What 3 to 5 steps guide my clients from their problem to transformation? Step number 4. Before you invest time and energy into creating your product, let's validate your idea. So here you can share it with your audience or ask for feedback to ensure that you're building something they're actually gonna want. You can do something like a simple survey using Google Forms or Typeform. You could post a question on social media like, if I created a insert product idea, would it help you achieve insert transformation? Or you can host a live QA session or a webinar to gauge interest. So write down a few people or platforms where you could share your idea for feedback, like past clients, with social media, or community groups. The questions here are, who can I share this idea with for feedback? And what's the one question I can ask to validate my idea? I feel that a great resource for this would be a book or audio book called The Mom Test by Rob Fitzpatrick. I'll put it right here. Really quick, if you'd like me to discuss any of these steps that we've discussed so far in more detail, let me know in the comment sections which step and what you feel is your current roadblock that's keeping you from achieving that step and taking action. In the comment section below, let me know. Which actually brings me to step number 5, commit to action. So finally, let's set a goal and take action. Here you want to ask yourself, when will you have the first draft done? So just write down a realistic date and just stick to it. Remember that progress always beats perfection. And this is coming from a recovering perfectionist. What's most important is to do activities to help you build momentum and help you create habits that will set you up for achieving the goal. The key is to just start small, refine based on feedback, and scale as you grow. Once again, the questions here are, what is my deadline for completing my first draft? And what is the smallest step I can take today to move forward? So hopefully you've defined the transformation, you've chosen your format, you mapped out your framework, and you have a plan to validate your idea and commit to action. These steps are designed to get the creative juices flowing and to start building a digital product that attracts your dream clients and frees you from the one-on-one grind. I mean, imagine waking up to notifications of new sales and knowing that you're helping your clients with their expertise while you sleep. That's crazy, right? And remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. The only way to move forward is to start. You got this. I hope this video has helped you to kickstart your momentum. And if you found this helpful, let me know in the comment section, what is the current transformation you're helping your clients achieve? I'd love to cheer you on. Also, let me know if you'd like me to go into any one of these steps in more detail. Your feedback helps me to create more content that supports you. But that's all I have for now. I'm Jay, and see you in the next one.